unboxing friends. I do hope you are well today. My name is Christine and I am back with another unboxing for DIY Nail Shack. Now, if you're not familiar, this is a monthly nail strip subscription. It runs $13.95 per month, but it does go down in price if you prepay ahead of time. So basically you get 4 sets of nail stickers in here, one for each week of the month. Now she does send these to me free for review, so let's go ahead and see what's inside. We're gonna open this up and see what I've got for this month. I'm not sure if it's September. It probably is. There's nothing else in there. Now, you always do get a little nail file and a cuticle pusher. You know, push your cuticles back. That's the first step. And then you can even use the end of this to smooth the nail strips down once you've applied them to your fingers. Ooh, I love this. We have like a green marble, right? Green marble, yeah. Or is that a peacock feather? See, like this part right here? It's like, is that a peacock feather? What is? No, I think it's just marble. And then we have a nice orange glitter, perfect for October. Ooh, this one's kind of cool. This one is Southwest. Perfect for where I live. I'm in Oklahoma. And then another really cute fall design. But you shouldn't be intimidated by putting these on. She usually includes a sheet that gives you directions on how to put these on. You can even watch YouTube to find the easiest ways to put these on, but they are not hard. Your manicure is done in minutes and you're good to go. And on that note, I am so glad that you came by today. I do hope you have a great day, and I will see you soon.